Hi, what's going on, guys? This is Anthony. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can use Facebook collections. Now, with collections, it's just a way how you can organize your saved items. So let me show you how you can do this, right? So let's say I'm just scrolling through my news feed, right? And I just see something that catches my eye and this quote here. I want to save this and I want to create a collection called quotes so that I can keep everything organized. So I can go back to this later on. So how you do this is you just click on the three buttons there and you're going to click save post. Now, once you save this post, you can create a collection, or if you already have a collection, you can add it in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new collection. Now I'm gonna name this collection quotes, and it's going to give you the option here if you want to make it public, which anyone on or off Facebook can see this collection, or you can have just your friends, only your friends can see it on Facebook, or just only you can see this collection Facebook. What I'm doing, I'm gonna make it public so that other people can see these quotes, and if they like them, they can follow me. So I'm gonna hit create. Now, how do you get back to this? Okay, you save the item and you created a collection. So now you want to go back to that so you can retrieve that and look at it later on, right? So what you do is you scroll up here to the top here and you click on these three lines up here to the top. And you want to click on save. Okay, so there is my save item, and in the collections, I have my quote collection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the quotes. Okay, so now I am in my quotes collection. And as you can see, that's the same photo right there that I saved just a second ago. So there's a few things that you can do inside of collections here. So let's say if you want to add more quotes or things to your quotes collection. So what you can do is you can just click on the add more. Now, to add in that collection, you first have to save that item, right? And now you can add it into your collection. So to just tap on a few things, I'm just going to add a few things for demonstration. I know these are not quotes, so I'm just going to add these two in there. And that's how you can add more items into your collection. So there's other things that you can do inside of here also. So one thing I want to show you is the this arrow here, how you can share. So I'm gonna click on that, and what this does is it allows you to share your collection, and you can share it to your news feed, you can send it in Messenger, or you can copy the link. So what I want to do is I want to copy this link because I want to show you how other people can follow your collections. So I'm just going to copy this, and we're going to go back to my profile. We're going to post this. I'm going to tap in here. We're going to post that link. So I'm going to post that. And now you see a follow button at the end here. So now that people are on my profile, they can follow this collection right here. And all they got to do is just tap follow. And now they'll follow my collection. So if they see any kind of quotes that they really like in there, now they start to get that. So that's how you can follow collections also. Now let's go back. Let's see what more can we do inside of collections. Let's go back to save. Let's go back in that same quote collection. And you can manage the collections also. So I'm gonna click on these three dots right next to the arrow. And in the manage collection, what you can do is you got items that you can delete or move items. You got privacy settings. So if I want to change it, I can view my followers, I can edit it, or I can delete this collection, which allows you to delete the collection, but it won't delete your save items though. So let's go in the first one right here. Let's go into the items. And let's say if I wanted to maybe delete one, right? So I just click on that and now hit delete and it's gone. So let's click on another one and let's say if I want to move one, right? And let's click on that one and you just click move. And what you can do is now you can create a new collection, or you can just add it into a collection that you've already created. And so that's how you move one of them also. Okay. So let's go back in there and let's go into the privacy settings. Now I made this one public, right? But I can also change this so I can, if later on, if I find out that I want to change this to only my friends can see this, or maybe if I want to have some contributors in there, I can change to that, or I can change it to only me. So if I want to make it private, I can just change it to that. As those are your privacy settings. So let's go back into it. I can view my followers. If I have followers in here, you can share down to the bottom. And let's go to edit. So in here, you can edit the photo. Just click on the pencil there and you can change the cover photo if you want to. And I can also change the name of the collection in here. So that's what you can do inside of the edit section. Now if you want to delete the collection, like I said earlier, this will permanently delete it, but the items will still be in your saved list. So I'm just going to hit cancel on that. And that's how you manage your collections. So while you're in collections also, when I click on save item in my collection, these three dots on the side here, what you can do is you can add it to another collection. You can share it. You can send this in Messenger. You can view the original post, or you can copy the link, or you can just remove this from the collections. And that is about basically what you can do in the collections. Now there's one more thing I want to show you guys here, and that is the contributors only one. Now I'm in one of these collections, and I want to show you a few things inside of a contributors only collection. Now inside here, you can do some of the same things, like you can add more. So I can just tap on that. And inside of this contributors only, I can contribute something. Like if I see something that is relevant to what this group of collections, like what that they like, I can add something in there. And what's else we got here? And let's click on the three dots here. I want to show you some more things. I'm gonna click on this one. And here you can manage the collection. So I can actually view all the contributors that are inside of this collection. Let me tap on this real quick. So it's going to show the owner. And what the owner does is he can invite and remove contributors. And the contributors, what they can do is they can add items to the collection. They can comment and react. So since I'm a contributor, like I see that Terry has added a few things in here, I can just tap on like. I can comment and I can just interact with her post that she's put inside of this collections. And when I click on the three dots on the side here of her post here, you know, you can add that into maybe one of your collections. You can share it, send it a messenger. You can view the original post. You can copy that link. So that's how you use the contributors section right there if you're creating a collection. So let me show you how to create your own collection and add in contributors. So I'm gonna go back out, and then on the side here that's next to collections, you got create. So you just want to do is you want to click on create. Now it's asking you for the collection name. I'm just going to name this marketing. Okay, now I have a few options here. I can make it public, or I can just have it where my friends see it, or you got the contributors only and the only me. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the contributors only. And now you see that this option is available to me now who can add to this collection. So it's asking me who can add to this collection. So I can choose some people to invite to my collection as contributors. So I'm going to click on the invite contributors. And now I can choose some friends of mine, and this is best probably if you're in a business or a group with people and you know them well, then these are who you can probably ask, these people you can ask to be contributors, because y'all are already in business together. So if I'm setting up one called marketing, they can add in stuff that's related to marketing that the whole group can look at, and like relevant information that is pertaining to marketing that everybody can see. And so if I was in a group or something like that, I would choose like a couple of people. How you choose me, just click on who you want to choose and it lights up down to the bottom there. And once you have chose these people, now you just click the done button and you're done. And now you have created your uh, collections and you have your contributors in there. So I can see how this could be very useful when you're in business, or if you want to share quotes or share images of something that you like, or if you have family members and you have like wedding photos or something like that you want to show to your family members. That'd be a good way how to use collections and have contributors. Uh, and those are a few ways how you can use this. I think this is a very useful tool that you can use. And that is it, guys. I hope that you liked this information. I hope it was helpful, and I would love to see how you're going to use collections in your business or personal. Make sure you drop a comment and let me know, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.